if you can just let me make you, I think I given all the nodes, you might have forgotten. So there's a slit, there's a screen. So I'll keep a source, then a lens. So here the rays are made to fall normally on a slit. Then it will undergo diffraction. Then what happen? I'll bring another lens. Then I'll see that. So using two lens, what happen? We can bring. If I remove these two lens, then it will become a Fresnel diffraction. So what is the problem with the Fresnel diffraction? It will be very difficult for us to do mathematical thing. That's why we are bringing. So where this particular this particular screen is kept in the focal plane of the lens. I think that's what the adjustment we have made. This is called like a Fraunhofer. So we don't have the Fresnel diffraction. We don't study because a lot of maths will be involved. Okay, like this is saying Fraunhofer, that one. Okay, I'll not show the lens. Will not show all those lens. Like this. Yeah. Okay, like there's a width of the slit. There's a reference line. Means I think you should not draw diagrams. As a teacher, I have to explain I'm going for diagram. Otherwise, you should not draw any diagrams, especially the mains one in exam. I'm making things clear. Only worst case needed. Only the worst case, if it is needed, you're supposed to draw it. So this will be the maxima. Rough diagram may not be up to the scale. So what is asking is the position of next. I think this will be the D1. There's everything is D1 and this will be B1. No? That angular position of that is asking. So it will be. So what is given information for us is, oh, the lines I didn't draw properly. I'll take this blue color line. Yeah. This is the I think now I am correct. So what are theta? So he has given some 30 degrees. He's asking the theta. So they should be the am I right? Okay. Then angular position of the first secondary maxima. I'll call this is theta. This is what alpha. Alpha is given as 30 degrees. Anything you can pick up. So what is d sine alpha? D sine alpha. So what should be the angular position of this should be equal to lambda. So d sine alpha should be the lambda. Okay, that one. Okay, this particular formula. D sine theta should be equal to 3 lambda by 2. I think in the case of diffraction, what will happen? It will be reverse of that of interference, dividing these two. So he is asking the theta, no? So sine theta, sine alpha equal to 3 by 2. Alpha is how much? 30 degrees. So 1 by 2. That's the angular position. very small questions. So you no need of big thinking, especially this extra syllabus. No, just that information. Your approach for the question should be of like very small thinking. He's asking that angular position of the first maxima, first secondary maxima. There's a first secondary minima. I'll write down here. B1 first secondary maxima. This is first of all, see the methodology. You should know all the theory first, then come for the numericals, practice all the formula based. Next, little bit higher level. If they ask you some conditions, math based or something, how you manage.